Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we break down the laws that shape your rights, your money, and your world. Today we're digging into a topic that affects everyone, rich or poor, individual or corporation: tax law. Love it or hate it, taxes are how societies function, and the law determines who pays, how much, and why. Why do the wealthy pay less tax than workers, sometimes legally? What happens if you don't pay your taxes? And how do tax laws shape everything from healthcare to housing? Tax law isn't just about math, it's about fairness, power, and national priorities. What is tax law? Tax law is the legal framework that governs how governments collect money from individuals and businesses to fund public services like education, healthcare infrastructure, national defense. It regulates who pays tax, how much they pay, when and how taxes are collected, what counts as income, expense, or exemption. Types of taxes. There are many types of taxes, but they fall into three main categories. Income tax, on salaries, wages, investments, paid by individuals and businesses. Consumption tax, on goods and services, includes sales tax, VAT, value-added tax, GST. Property and wealth taxes, on land, buildings, inheritance, capital gains, often used to reduce wealth inequality. Countries may also impose corporate tax, import-export duties, carbon taxes, and more. How tax law works internationally. In a globalized world, tax law extends across borders. Double taxation treaties prevent people from being taxed twice on the same income. Transfer pricing rules regulate how multinational companies shift profits to low-tax countries. OECD's global tax framework aims to curb corporate tax avoidance and create fair global standards. Famous case study: Apple and Ireland. In 2016, the European Commission ruled that Apple owed €13 billion in back taxes to Ireland, claiming it had received illegal tax benefits. Apple and Ireland disputed the decision, sparking international debate over corporate tax avoidance and legal loopholes used by tech giants. This case highlighted the urgent need for global tax reform and the legal gray zones that powerful companies exploit. Why tax law matters today. It funds public goods we all rely on. It reflects social priorities like climate, health, and education. It shapes economic behavior, from housing to business investment. It defines what's legal versus what's fair. It's central to debates about inequality, globalization, and digital economies. In short, tax law is where citizenship meets accountability. What's next? Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or a voter, understanding tax law helps you make smarter decisions and ask better questions. Next up, we'll dive into consumer protection law. This is the Learning Studio, and you're watching the Law series, where law meets everyday life.